Careful, sweetie.
I know. It was saying yes.
Oh, he's very curious about you.
Yeah. I think that should be it. Can I put a little else for them?
Okay, come back this way, sweetie.
Okay. I'll put it. Can I put this somewhere else so the little ones have their own feeding bowl?
How about over there?
They do like the catnip stuff. They do like. How come they like the catnip?
I don't know. That's a good question.
They like it though.
Yeah, they're kind of like cats sometimes.
There isn't very much food. Should I get some more?